When you press the power button, this vacuum cleaner will start at medium speed. This has 3 modes: low, medium and high. It will start with medium, and when you press the power button it will go to high, and again you press the power button it will go to the lowest possible speed. In high mode you can see that there is a blue light will turn on. Now this is in low settings, and now this is in medium settings. This is the medium speed, and this is the high speed. The blue light is turned on right now. In this speed this will run only for 8 minutes as per user manual. In medium speed, I believe, let me check, on full charge the appliance can operate for an accumulated time of up to 8 minutes maximum. On max mode, that is the high speed, and 45 minutes on low settings. So by default when you start this machine will work on medium settings. That means it will work around 30 minutes, I believe. That was my experience yesterday when I tested. It ran for around 30 minutes. If you set up in max mode, it will run for 8 minutes as per user manual. I think it will run for 5 minutes maybe. This is the packaging. This is the unboxing I did yesterday. It is selling by Cloudtail India Private Limited, and the cost was around 10,999, that is 11,000 rupees. It is Amazon Basics vacuum cleaner, cordless vacuum cleaner. The model number is V18P01APW1EU-BLDC. This is a BLDC motor, that is why the model number contains BLDC. This I have their wired model. That cup come with a cup 750 watts. This has 90 watt suction power and 300 watt motor. It comes with two or three accessories. That's it. It's working very well. I tested for at least charged and discharged 3 times, and used it for a couple of hours in the last 2 days, and overall the performance is satisfactory, but it is not meant for cleaning your whole house in one day, because it is not possible. In medium settings itself it will only run for around 30 minutes, and in low settings it will run for 45 minutes. That is over optimistic probably. So half an hour here and there, that's it. So the main advantage of this cordless vacuum cleaner is it is very easy to reach the hard to reach corners or the stairs or that sort of thing. You can clean almost everywhere without a cord. That is the main advantage. And if you clean, if you have a medium house, you can clean the whole house in one day. But if you have a large house, that is around 3,000 plus square feet, it is not possible, I believe, even if you do it very fast. If you clean every other day, that is possible, because you need to spend less time on each room, then it is possible. And if and only if you are cleaning floor only, if you are cleaning your cupboards, etc., in one charge it will not go. You need to split the cleaning schedule. Morning one room, afternoon another room. It will take up to 3.5 hours to charge. So it is a complementary device or a companion device for your wired vacuum cleaner. Yeah, that is the main point here, because if this is the only vacuum cleaner you have, probably you need to plan accordingly. That means you need to clean one room per day or like that. So if you already have a wired vacuum cleaner and you know the benefits of, and you think a wireless vacuum cleaner or a cordless vacuum cleaner will do wonders for your cleaning, then you can try this. If you don't have any vacuum cleaner, I don't recommend to get this as your first vacuum cleaner, because cleaning carpets or extended time cleaning, or this is not meant for a heavy lifting. In my opinion, do all the heavy lifting with wired vacuum cleaner, and this use this for that hard to reach areas like tabletop or something like that. I exclusively used this for last 2 to 3 days, and this can be used for everything, and it is working fine, and I had no problems with this. But two times I used it for 4 to 6 times, and out of that 2 to 3 times it worked. Battery ran out in the middle of the work, so I leave that work and go for charging and come back after 6 to 7 hours and continue the cleaning, and it's no problem. It's 29 volt 0.5 amps charger. It will take some time to charge, that is the main problem. There is no fast charging, and there is only 2 accessories, 3 accessories. That is that's okay, that's fine, but overall this is like a demo product or an evaluation product or something like that. The stand etc is very good. There is no need to drill a hole on your wall. It will stand, and you can put the machine on top of that. So there is no need to find a drilling machine or hire someone to do that for you. The test container capacity is 0.3 liter. The rated power for the motor, I believe 350 watts, and the rated voltage is 25 volt. I am reading this from the user manual. The user manual is not available everywhere, so I am going to post some pictures on this video, so you can take a look and read it carefully if you need. The service life of main unit is 300 hours. Electric brush is 150 hours. Noise level is 79 dB. Net weight is 1.6 kg. It's 1.6 kg, but you may not feel like 1.6 kg. It is quite lightweight for me. And clean air filter after 15 to 20 days. These are the accessories. I put some rice on the floor, and here is how it clean. It is picking up each and every rice, no problem. Also picking up all dust with medium settings and low settings. That is a surprise. It is incredibly doing well job on that cleaning job. The only problem or the only feedback I have to give is the running time could have been better, maybe 1 hour or one and a half hour, because 30 minutes or 20 minutes is the ideal running time for this machine. That is too low. This is how you charge the machine. These are the batteries. You need to unscrew 3 screws and you will get access to this battery pack. This is not meant for a user replaceable battery. You can buy a battery pack and unscrew the 3 screws and slide the new battery pack in. That is how it goes, because these individual batteries are not meant for user replacement, because it is soldered, and it's not easy to remove, I believe. So you need to get a new battery pack once it runs out of power. I'm posting some pictures of the user manual, and you can take a look at it in detail so you can understand more about this product. I can't find the user manual anywhere on the internet, so that will be helpful. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is Vishnu. Also check the link in the video description for the exact model I purchased. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.